In this video, I'm going to show you how to add website link on your Instagram bio. Okay, as usual in this channel, we don't waste the time of our viewers. We just dive right into the content you are looking for. Open Instagram app. Then after opening Instagram app, you will see various options here. What you want to click on here is your profile picture at the bottom to the right. Just tap on it. Then now this is my profile. You will see various options here on your profile. What we want to click on here is edit profile. Be sure to follow every step here so you don't make any mistake. Okay, as you can see, I also have various options in this screen. Tap on add link, then tap on add external link, then URL of the link. URL of the link is the address of the link. Maybe it is HTTP. Just make sure that you copy the link exactly the way it is. Okay, .com, something like this. It depends with the address of your link. Then give your link a title. Maybe you can say my website, just like that. After doing that, you will click on the tick sign to make sure the changes are saved. If you found value in this video, please make sure to like it and subscribe to the channel for more tips like this. Until next time, peace out.